Uniswap value equivalent to $12,796 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $12.49 and $35.13.41. The earlier day close, $12.70,506. The change was plus $0.290, plus 180%. Converse rate, BUSS to Uni. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for June 2024. Initially cost at 0.82 coins. Excessive cost to 105, while lows were 82. The arrived at the midpoint of cost to 92. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.97, change for June 18.3%. US to Uni expectation for July 2024. Initially cost at 0.97 coins. Excessive cost 0.97, while lows 0.79. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.89. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.84, change for July 13.4%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for August 2024. To start with cost at 0.84 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.84, while lows on 68. They found the middle value of cost 0.77. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.72, change for August 14%. US to Uni expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 0.72 coins. Excessive cost 0.77, while lows on 67. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.72. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.71, change for September 1.4%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for October 2024. Before all else cost at 0.71 coins. Excessive cost 0.75, while lows on 65. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.70. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.70, change for October 1.4%. US to Uni expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 0.70 coins. Excessive cost 0.72, while lows on 63. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.68. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.67, change for November 4.3%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for December 2024. Initially cost at 0.67 coins. Excessive costs 67, while lows on 54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.62. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 58, change for December 13.4%. US to Uni expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.58 coins. Excessive costs 59, while lows on 52. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 56. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 55, change for January 5.2%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for February 2025. Before all else cost at 0.55 coins. Excessive costs and 58, while lows and 51. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 55. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.54, change for February 1.8%. US to Uni expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive costs on 57, while lows were 49. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 253. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.53, change for spring 1.9%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 0.53 coins. Exorbitant costs in 56, while lows earn 48. They found the middle value of cost 0.52. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.52, change for April 1.9%. US to Uni expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 0.52 coins. Exorbitant costs to 56, while lows and 48. They found the middle value of cost tier 52. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.52, change for May 0%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 0.52 coins. Excessive costs in 52, while lows own 42. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.48. The US to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.45, change for June 13.5%. US to Uni expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at 0.45 coins. Excessive cost 0.47, while lows earn 40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.44. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.43, change for July 4.4%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for August 2025. Before all else cost at 0.43 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.55, while lows earn 43. They found the middle value of cost on 48. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's NZ 52, change for August 29%. US to Uni expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.52 coins. Exorbitant costs 52, while lows earn 45. They found the middle value of cost on 49. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's NZ 48, change for September 7%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for October 2025. Before all else cost at 0.48 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 49, while lows earn 43. They found the middle value of cost to 46. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's NZ 45, change for October 6.3%. US to Uni expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.45 coins. Exorbitant costs in 58, while lows on 45. They found the middle value of cost of 51. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's NZ 54, change for November 20%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for December 2025. Before all else cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive costs M54, while lows N44. They arrived at the midpoint of costs M50. The US to Uni figure toward the month's N047, change for December 13%. As to Uni expectation for January 2026, before all else cost at 0.47 coins. Exorbitant costs in 57, while lows on 47. They found the middle value of cost on 51. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's ends on 53, change for January 12.8%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.53 coins. Exorbitant costs are 68, while lows are 53. They found the middle value of cost on 59. The US to Uni gauge toward the month's N363, change for February 18.9%. US to Uni expectation for WARC 2026. Initially cost at 0.63 coins. Excessive costs on 81, while lows on 63. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 71. The US to Uni figure toward the month's N075, change for spring 19%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 0.75 coins. Exorbitant costs are in 77, while lows on 67. They found the middle value of cost on 73. The US to Uni estimate toward the month's NZ 72, change for April 4%. US to Uni expectation for May 2026. At the outset, cost at 0.72 coins. Excessive costs on 84, while lows on 72. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 77. The US to Uni conjecture toward the month's NZ 78, change for May 8.3%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for June 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.